Hello guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about how to find copyright-free music using Meta Business Suite. But before I begin, please hit the like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know that music is essential when sharing videos on Facebook? Music often comes with a license that protects the rights of the owner, and these types of music has royalty fees when you use it in your content. Facebook has a collection of royalty-free music and sound effects. You can use it in your content without paying royalty fees to the owner of that music. If you're sharing videos using Facebook Stories or Reels, you must know where you can find the copyright-free music section on Meta Business Suite. It's called Sound Collection. You can use the Sound Collection on your Instagram Stories and Reels. You can be at ease to share your content without the fear of copyright infringement. Now let's access the Sound Collection on our Meta Business Suite. Once you're on the Meta Business Suite page, choose the All Tools menu. Under Engage Audience, choose Sound Collection. The Sound Collection has tracks and sound effects. There are thousands of audio tracks and sound effects that you can browse and use for your content. It has sections that can guide you on where you can use these tracks for your videos. You can pick the music for your videos. Click on this arrow button to browse for more tracks. You can listen to the music before you decide to use it for your content. Once you've decided to use it, you can download it using this button. Use this player to listen to the next track easily and fast. And you can use these buttons to check the sections of the track. You can also use the Quick Pick section that shows music tracks per category of music. You can select each category to view a list of tracks that belong to this genre. If you select multiple categories, then the results for tracks found will contain a mixed collection of tracks that belong to these categories. You can also use the search bar to look for tracks that can be relevant to your content. Just type in the keyword and you'll find multiple results here. When you're using your mobile app, any user can create stories or reels and add music from the collection. Just upload a video that you want to use, then tap on the option Audio, then add music. This section allows users to find and look for free music to use in the videos that they want to share. If you search for the music that you have discovered on your Meta Business Suite, you may notice that this song can also be found here. You can save it or just tap on the music. Now the audio shows the music cover of the selected music. It's also possible to edit the music so that you can select a section of the music that you want to include in your video. And that's how you can find copyright-free music for Facebook and Instagram using Meta Business Suite. Thanks for watching.